So let us solve some exercises. Here you are given exercise, some questions are given to you. So first question is simplify. So we are in first example we have to add 4 rational numbers. So instead of 2 we are having 4 rational numbers. So how to solve this? We write solutions here. Solution of first example, 2 by 3 plus, I write the number once again, 4 by 5 plus 7 by 15 plus minus 11 by 20. So again there are two techniques. First, you can add these two numbers, then whatever answer you are getting, add the third one to the answer of the first two, then you perform the last one. I follow that technique first of all, and then I will show you how to add these numbers using LCM. Okay. So if you want to add first these two numbers, what I do, I take the LCM. As the denominators are different, we need to take the LCM here. So we take the LCM of these two as 3 and 5, LCM is 15. So we write it as 15. Again, what we do, in order to make the denominator 15, we need to multiply it by 5. So it will become 10 plus, here in order to make it 15, we have to multiply it by 3. So it will become minus 12. Rest of the numbers as it is, I write it here, plus minus 11 by 20. Just I am showing you why to use LCM technique while solving examples based on additional. So what you get here, we get minus 2 by 15 plus 7 by 15 plus minus 11 by 20. If you follow again here the rule of addition with the same denominator, what you do, you write this 15 as ones and we add numerators and rest of the number as it is. So we get 5 by 15 plus minus 11 by 20, and here we simplify this as 1 by 3 plus minus 11 by 20. So here we need to take the cross multiplication, 3 into 20, that is 20 plus minus 11 into 3. So it will become 20 minus 33 divided by 60, and your final answer is minus 13 by 60. If you follow the technique of cross multiplication, you need to perform these many steps. Okay. But if you want to solve the same example using LCM technique, let us see what happens. What I do, I find out LCM of 3, 5, 15, 20. Can you tell me the LCM of 3, 5, 15, 20? How to find it? So I write the numbers 3, 5, 15, 20. You take the LCM like this. So if I divide it by 3, so it is 3, 5 as it is, 3 5s are 15, 20 as it is, because we cannot divide 20 by 3. Next, I take the factor as 5. So already 1 is here. So what I do, I make it 1, 1, and it will become 4. And for further, we take 1, 1, 2, and again it is 1. So LCM will become 3 into 5, 15, 15 2s are 30, 30 2s are 60. So the LCM of these numbers, 3, 5, 15, 20 as 60. If you get it directly, then how to add these 4 rational numbers with LCM technique, I show you here. What I simply do, I take LCM as 60 in the denominator and I write it once. So here we are having 3. In order to make it 60, we need to multiply it by 20. So what we do, we multiply 20 here, 20 2s are 40 plus. In order to make this one as 60, we need to multiply it by 12. So 12 into 4 minus 48 plus. In order to make 15 as 60, we multiply it by 4. So 7 4s are 28 plus 20 को अगर 60 बनाना है तो 3. That means minus 33. Now the situation is here, two numbers are positive, two numbers are negative. What we do here, we first add these two positive numbers. 40 plus 28, it is 68, plus we add these two negative numbers because we know the sign rule. Whenever we are having same sign numbers, we add those numbers and we put the sign as it is there. If you want to add these 48 and 33, what we do? We have to add 48 and 32 with the same sign minus, because these two numbers are minus. 8 plus 13, 11, carry 1. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 81, divided by 60, I write it. So as we know, 68 plus minus will become minus 81 divided by 60, and if you take the difference will become minus 13 divided by 60. That's your answer. So while using LCM technique, you will have fewer steps than using cross multiplication technique. So you prefer all the time this LCM technique to add rational numbers. Okay. You can take the screenshot of this example. Let us solve second example from this exercise. So as I have already told you, there is no such division in rational numbers. We convert this operation into multiplication. So I write it as 4 by 9. Change this sign, division into multiplication, and take the reciprocal of second number. So reciprocal of minus 5 by 12, this minus I will be as it is, and we take the reciprocal as 12 by 5. And what the rule of multiplication? Multiply numerator, numerator, and denominator, denominator. So what's the multiplication answer? It is 12 4 the minus 48 divided by 45. Is it divisible further? Is it in standard form? No. It can be further divided, numerator and denominator, by 3, and the answer will be 3 1s are 3, 3 6s are 18, divided by 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Now it is in standard form of rational numbers. Your answer of this example number 2 is minus 16 by 15, because it cannot be further simplified. And all the time while writing the standard form of rational number, you put this minus sign to the numerator, never put it to the denominator. So standard form of rational number means writing the negative sign in the numerator and write down the most simplified form, P by Q form of this rational number. Okay, this is the standard form of rational number. Now we solve example number 3. Minus 3 by 16 into 8 by 15. Now in this example, we have to follow the rule numerator, numerator, denominator, denominator multiplication. But there is one more shortcut technique. Instead of taking it direct multiplication, what we do, we try to simplify it using such a shortcut technique. What we do, we know that multiplication is sign. This technique is applicable only for the multiplication. You cannot use it in case of addition or subtraction. So we know that for this 3 and 15 we are having a common factor as 3, and for this 8 and 16 the common factor is 8. So what I do, I simplify it here now. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So what remain there? First of all, if you write it like this, 3 into minus 8 divided by 16 into 15, then also you can further simplify it to the standard form, and your standard form will become minus 1 into 1 divided by 2 into 5, and it will become minus minus, multiplication is always minus, so it is minus 1 divided by 10. That's the answer for the example number 3. Let us take example number 4 now. Now we take example number 4. So if you look at example number 4, first number is taken as an integer. So how to add such a numbers when one number is in the form of P by Q, that is rational, and another one is integer. But we know that every integer is written in the form of P by Q with particularly denominator 1. So we may write this number in the form of rational number as minus 9 by 1, and we follow the technique of addition when denominators are different and we use the LCM of 1 and 8, LCM of 1 and 8 is 8, and in order to make it 8 we have to multiply numerator by 8, so it will become 9 8s are 72 plus minus 21. As these two numbers are having same sign, so the operation is addition. We add these two numbers, though we write it as minus 72 minus 21 by 8. What we have to do? We have to add these two numbers, because what the rule says is, whenever we are having two same sign number, we add up them and we put the sign as it is, whatever we are having, plus plus or minus minus. So we get here 2 plus 1 3, 7 plus 2 9, minus 93 by 8, and we cannot further simplify it, we keep it as it is, and the answer for the fourth example is minus 93 by 8. Okay. Let us discuss this second question. It is a word problem. Question is, what number should be subtracted from minus 3 by 5 to get minus 2? Okay. So in this case we have to find an unknown number which we have to subtract it from minus 3 by 5 in order to get the. So all the time whenever we have to solve such a word problems, we consider that required number as x. So we write it as solution. Let the required number be x. So what is given? What number should be subtracted? X should be subtracted from minus 3 by 5. So minus 3 by 5 minus x is equals to minus 2. That we have to solve. So it is just like a linear equation in one variable. So how to solve this? We change the sign. So what I write here? I write minus 3 by 5 as it is. I take this minus 2 on the left hand side, it will change its sign. I convert it here and I shift this x to the right hand in order to make it positive. What I do? I take this minus 2 on the left hand side, it will become plus 2. It will change its sign, transposing method. And when I write this x on the right hand side, it will become plus x. Okay. So we need to find out the value for this x. It is not compulsory that you have to write it on the left hand side. You may write it on the right hand side also. So while solving this, what I do again, I write this 2 as 2 by 1. I take the LCM of 5 and 1 as 5. And in order to make it 5, it is already 5. So write minus 3 as it is, plus sign as it is. In order to make this denominator as 5, what we have to do? We have to multiply this 2 by 5. So it will become 10, that is equals to x. So the answer is minus 3 plus opposite sign numbers are there. So obviously there is a subtraction in these numbers. Those plus sign is written here. We have to subtract this 3 from this 10, because all the time we subtract smaller number from the greater number. So we subtract 3 from 10. So the subtraction is 7 and the sign of the greater number is positive. So we write it as 7 by 5 is equals to x. So the answer for this word problem is x is equals to 7 by 5. So such type of examples will be there in your exercise. Either you have to simplify using BODMAS rule whenever you are having more than operations. Such examples are not actually included in this list, but you may perform more than one operations in a single expression using BODMAS rule, or you may have such type of word problems based on the operations addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of rational numbers. So how to find an unknown rational number which perform the expression, and in this case you have to prepare some expression or an equation just like a linear equation I have written here in this example. So that is also the part of linear equation in one variable, lesson number 2. So how to solve these linear equations using transposing method whenever particularly addition, subtraction or operations are there. Whenever you change the sign for the number, side for the number, it will become it will change in sign on the other side. And whenever you are having number, just like if you want to find out, let us take one more example based on such type of word problems. I write one more example. I write a question here. By what number should minus 33 by 16 be divided? to get minus 11 by 4. Instead of subtraction, in this example, we are having the operation as a division operation. Again, we are asked to find out a number. By what number should minus 33 by 16 be divided to get minus 11 by 4? So again, we start with let the required number be x. So what is the condition given? By what number should minus 13 by 16 be divided? So I write the expression like this: minus 33 by 16 divided by x is equals to minus 11 by 4. That's the equation we are having. So as we know, there is no such a division operation. What we do? We write it as minus 33 by 16. We change the sign division by multiplication and we take the reciprocal of this number. Reciprocal of x will become 1 by x, which is equals to minus 11 by 4 as it is. Our target is to find out x, not 1 by x. So what we do? We change the side of this x. I shift this x on the right hand side and this minus 11 by 14 on the left hand side. The operation is multiplication. What I do? I write minus 33 by 16 as it is, equal sign. If I have to shift this x on the right hand side, division will become multiplication. I write it as x. And if I want to shift this minus 11 by 4 on left hand side, what I do? I take the reciprocal. Don't change the sign now because we are shifting it in the form of multiplication. So don't change the sign. You keep the sign minus 11 by 4 as it is. And because what happens once I shift this x on the right hand side, it will become minus 11 by 4 into x. So this minus 11 by 4 is actually in the multiplication, not in addition or subtraction with this x. So in order to shift it on the left hand side, what we have to do? We have to keep the sign as it is and we just take the reciprocal and we write it as 33 by 16 multiply by, I take the reciprocal as minus 4 by 11, which is equals to simply x on the right hand side. And again I follow the shortcut technique. We simplify it here right now. 11 3s are 33, 4 4s are 16. As two negative numbers are there, certainly their product is a positive number and we get the value of x as this implies x is equals to minus minus will become plus. Numerator is 3 into 1, denominator is 4 into 1. So it will become 3 by 4. So such type of examples will be there in exercises. Either you have to add or subtract, multiply, divide. Question will be like this: simplify, where we have to perform more than 2 operations. And if you are having word problems based on this particular article of operations on rational numbers, so you will get such type of examples there and you need to find out that unknown number which is asked to find out in your question. So these are the few sample examples based on the operations on rational numbers. So we stop it here today.